Hello everyone, bit late greeting, and this was Microbe. This was the disassembling procedures I've done to clean the HD 5850, and I look carefully. The PCB is condition very clean. Unexpectedly, and the cleaning part after this, already I've done similar video before, so you can refer the video. I will put it at the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and it was very nice to clean this kind of GPU again. This disassembling part was most difficult part, especially holding the bolt and the nut, because this was not this supposed not to be disconnected, but this one unscrewed instead in the video, so I have to like catch this nut with this long nose punch. That was the most difficult part to disassemble today. Thank you for watching anyway. See you later. Bye for now.